Ms. Demetra here to show you how we are going to make our winter shades and tints. We just start by tracing our plate just like that. We've got a circle. Don't forget your name on the back. Once you have done this, I will give you a little bit of purple paint. We'll first be making our first circle. All I do to load up on my paint is push my paintbrush down just there. You see it's not all the way at the top, it's just at the tip. All you have to do is get those bristles a little bit filled with paint, and I'm asking that you go on the outside of your circle. If you need a little more paint, you just pick up a little more. And because we're going to add mountains at the bottom, we're going to stop just right there, almost like it's a head, and that's the hair. Our mountains will be right there, so we don't need to add paint right there. Just one circle. And then we'll be making our first tint. This is white. You have one at your table, and you don't need to pour it, you just need to dunk one paintbrush, one good paint dunk like that. Take it back to your purple, and you're mixing this. This is going to give you your first tint. Do you notice how the purple changes a bit? You got to mix it good to get the whole purple. Again, my bristles are the only thing that has paint on it, not my whole paintbrush. We're going to see how this purple is a different tint than the first purple we traced our circle with. Got some on my brush, and I'm going to go on the inside. Whoop. Just trace the inside. You notice it is two different shades. That's called a tint. For our second tint, we're going to add one dunk and two dunks, just like that. Two paintbrush fulls of white paint. We're going to mix that in, and that's going to give us our second tint. This purple is a little lighter than the last one. It's lighter because we added more white, and it's even lighter than the first one. We're just mixing our color, and you notice still how the paint is only on my paintbrush bristles. You're going to add this layer nice and close to the last one. Hold your paper down if it helps. And I'm holding my paintbrush just like a pencil. You're going round and round. We're going to do one more dunk. One full dunk this time. Just mix a little bit to get our last shade. This is our third shade. First, second, and I'm going to add the third now. Each time you're just going right along the same lines. You see how I have a little left over? I'm just going to put only white. Just a little dunk. Put some white there. This brush gets set down right here, and that's all I need you to do for cleanup. Just put that right in the center of your table. We'll come back and add our mountains next class, but for now, that's a great start. We made 1, 2, 3 shades, and we put some white in the middle. And that's what our table should look like. 4 brushes,